Unlike Webull or some other brokerage account, Robinhood currently, as I'm recording this, doesn't have paper trading. So a way that you could start looking at some stock is, if once you go to the search section, you could type in your specific stock that you want to trade option. Then you press the trade button, press option, go to the expiration date that you choose, and then once you go have the strike price, you choose the strike price that you want to go on, and you could add watch list, and then you're going to be able to see, kind of track how this option contract perform. If you bet that it was going to go up, you can see if you were right without putting any of your money at risk. You just put it as a watch list and just watch it and see if you were right. As we add this contract, we're already up about $2 or 1.32%. So this is a way you could watch the option contract, guys, and test and see if you are right.